Namaste friends. Before I begin the video session, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel, watch my videos and post your comments. Today I take a great privilege to spread the knowledge about the fragrance of human life. Let's watch.
Human life is truly a very precious gift. Each and every moment of human life brings us an opportunity. Each moment opens the path to us to receive blessings. This is true that life gives us both positive and negative situations. What's really important is how we respond. Life is not a bed of roses. We have to face our problems in a way that our actions purify our soul. Our body is our temple. We should keep it a healthy vehicle for our spirit. People who continuously react negatively to various situations of life, they put their health at risk. They also do not understand the value of getting human life. When we hit the lowest point in our life, as humans, we should remember that it is the test of our strength. All we have to do is one positive step to signify that we have the courage and will to not give up. Once we pay off our karmas and pass the test, our circumstances will change. There is no single person in this world who has not suffered miseries, failures, and sadness. But every time we face those, we hate our lives. But we are forgetting this fact that all these failures are giving us the energy to rise. It is giving us the strength to fight back and win our own individual wars. Remember, life is beautiful but only if we make it. Most of the people worry about rumors. Rumors are spread by haters, carried by fools, and accepted by an idiot. We have to be strong enough to face the harshness of the world too. There are several haters in the world who are going to push you and push you towards sadness. But it's up to you whether you will listen to yourself or them. Someone somewhere commits suicide every 18 minutes. These people fail to know that life is a treasured gift we receive and it is a priceless gift given by Almighty. Dear friends, let me tell you the true meaning of life. We are visitors on this planet. We are here for 90 or 100 years at the very most. During that period, we must try to do something good, something useful with our lives. If you contribute to others' people's happiness, you will find the true goal and the true meaning of life. Everyone should realize the truth is we are more versatile in every field. We build research and create things to benefit to our civilization. We have the ability to preserve and destroy life. We are the only creatures that have speech. Therefore, life is beautiful indeed.
Dear friends, we are really blessed with this gifted life. So take risk, trust yourself, believe in yourself, never give up and hope always. Love forever, do what your heart says, dream as much you like and make it true. Because you live only once, so make the most of it. Have a nice day. Thank you.